There is a book on the table. There was a book on the table 10 minutes ago. Was there a book on the table 10 minutes ago? There are 3 books on the table.
There were 3 books on the table an hour ago. Were there 3 books on the table an hour ago?
How many books were there on the table an hour ago?
There is a car in the car park. There was a car in the car park the day before yesterday. Was there a car in the car park the day before yesterday? There are 3 cars in the car park. There were 3 cars in the car park a week ago. Were there 3 cars in the car park a week ago? How many cars were there in the car park a week ago? There is no car in the car park. There was no car in the car park a month ago. Was there no car in the car park a month ago?
There are 5 students in the classroom. There were 5 students in the classroom yesterday. Were there 5 students in the classroom yesterday? How many students were there in the classroom yesterday? There are 5 chairs in the room. There were 5 chairs in the room last year. Were there 5 chairs in the room last year? How many chairs were there in the room last year?
There is no water on the table. There was no water on the table in the morning. Was there no water on the table in the morning? How much water was there on the table in the morning?